learners, welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, where learning Hausa is fun. Today's lesson is about school vocabulary. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to mention school items, how to use them, places, and even make sentences and understand common phrases used by students and teachers. So relax, let's learn. School items: littafi, book, alƙalami, pen, pencil, pencil, takarda, paper, jakar makaranta, school bag, allo, blackboard or whiteboard, kujera, chair, allon rubutu, writing board, kundin rubutu, notebook, agogo, clock, kwandon shara, dustbin. School rooms and places: ɗakuna da wuraren makaranta. Aji, classroom, library, filin wasa, playground, ofishin malamai, staff room, ofishin shugaba, principal's office, ɗakin gwaji, laboratory, banɗaki, toilet, kantin makaranta, school store or shop. People in school: malami, male teacher, malama, female teacher, ɗalibi, male student, ɗaliba, female student, shugaban makaranta, principal, ma'aikacin tsaro, security guard, mai tsaftace makaranta, cleaner. Examples: wannan littafi ne. This is a book. Ina alƙalaminki? Where is your pen? Yaron yana rubutu da pencil. The boy is writing with a pencil. Dan Allah bani takarda guda. Please give me a sheet of paper. Jakar makarantar tana cike da littattafai. The school bag is full of books. Malam yayi rubutu a allo. The teacher wrote on the board. Ɗalibi ya zauna a kujerarsa. The student sat on his chair. Ina teburin malama yake? Where is the teacher's desk? Rubuta a kundin rubutunku. Write in your notebook. Agogon aji ya buga. The classroom clock has struck. Jefa shara a cikin kwandon shara. Throw waste in the dustbin. Ɗalibai suna karatu a library. Students are reading in the library. 'Yan makaranta suna wasa a filin wasa. Pupils are playing at the playground. Malamin ya tafi ofishin malamai. The teacher went to the staff room. Shugaban makaranta yana ofishinsa. The principal is in his office. Muna yin gwaje-gwaje a ɗakin gwaji. We do experiments in the laboratory. Useful phrases in the classroom: tashi tsaye, stand up, zauna, sit down, rubuta wannan, write this, Karanta. Read. Yi shiru. Keep quiet. Kalla allo. Look at the board. Bani amsa. Give me the answer. Kun gane? Do you understand? Na gane. I understand. Ban gane ba. I don't understand. Ajiye littafinka. Put away your book. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. Sai anjima.